Hi guys, we have this YU brand whole wheat noodles, so let's see its review and recipe. So this one is 300 gram pack, has MRP of 110 rupees, but from Amazon you get this one for rupees 66 only, and with one pack you get one pack free. And these are maida free noodles, 100% veg noodles made using atta. Coming to the recipe, in a large bowl boil 1 liter of water, and when the water starts boiling add salt and then the noodles. Stir and boil for 5 minutes until the noodle turns al dente. Now drain off the noodles and rinse with cold water, and you see the noodles will be non-sticky like this. Now keep it aside, and in a large wok, preferably the iron one, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, then add garlic cloves. Here goes chopped ginger, and then spring onion. Stir fry on high flame. Now we add one sliced onion. Again stir fry on high flame. And then add veggies, capsicum, cabbage, carrot. Again fry on high flame, and you will notice that the veggies have shrunk. Now add chili sauce, soya sauce, vinegar, tomato sauce. Mix it well and the sauces are well combined. Now we are going to add boiled noodles and then table salt, pepper powder. Again fry it for 1 minute. Finally enjoy hakka noodles garnished with more spring onions. I really appreciate the makers for making such a wonderful and healthy products. These are air fried, they are not deep fried like any other hakka noodles. So they are palm oil free. This is a healthier option, steamed, not the fried ones. And it doesn't get sticky at all. The whole process from the boiling to the hakka noodle, it took 15 minutes. So it's a nice change to the usual noodles, and it seems more healthy, but the taste is not really my type. You won't get that maida noodles taste. As many sauces you add, but you will still notice that you are having atta noodles. Overall, it's a good product. If you want to eat healthy, you can give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.